Good day, good day. It's some weird new holiday that Biden patched together. I don't know. There shouldn't be any holiday today. Anyway, let's take a look at this here. We did have some trades on this very slow market moving day. We had let's see here first. It's divergent. See that, baby? Woo! Okay. It's divergent. So we got a low and a lower low. And here is the open of the U.S. session. So you would have got long in there. Stop would have been 14 points because you want to put it under the, under this 50 number right here. So it's 14, 15 points. We got 18 points. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio right there, man. Right there. And there was another trade right here. Just like that. See that? Lines up with the little blue doodah right there. See that little blue doodah? Yeah. And right there. Yeah. That's it. That's it, man. Oh, I covered up the little blue doodah. Don't want to do that. Okay, so that was a sell trade. Hard to see divergence, hidden divergence. So you would have sold right there. Your stop would have been another 14 points. Did it go down 14 points? Oh, almost there, 13 and a half. I think that's 13 and a half. I'm looking at the freaking NASDAQ. Yeah, it's like 20 points right here. You would have got your 1-to-1. And after that, it went crappy. There was a trade right here too. Double bottom. I'll draw it in there for fun. Was it perfect? No. Not at all. And right there and right there. In real, in real trading times when the market's really moving, this here, it's like a sore thumb sticking out of apple pie. Okay? It's screaming at you. Huge valley, then little tiny valley. Came right back down. It's just screaming at you. These divergence setups right here are a beautiful thing, man. They really are. And yeah, it did go up. You would have got in here and it went up only like 8 points because we're not supposed to trade today. Okay, that's good enough. Let's go look. That's probably the same. Oh no, it's a little different. Here's the Dow. We had more movement with the Dow. You'd think right here, here to here, hidden divergence, right? No, it didn't happen. So we have just a cross down of the 5 below the 7. So if you would have got in here, there's no divergence. It went down like 90 points. And then down here, we made low and lower lows. Just like that, and like this, to like that. Or from the bottom. Let's see. Yeah, right there and right in there. Yeah, that was a good trade, man. Would have got long right in there. Boom. Went up 23 points. Right at the end, it went up 50 points. And your stop was like 23 points. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 now. Oh, very spotty here. It had one good trade right here to here. Hard to see divergence. It's right there. Boom. And you would have got short right there. And down it went 4 points. 5 points right there. I don't know, that's pretty crappy, eh? It's like a 5x bottom. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Look at that shit. Okay. So if you would have got long in there, it didn't go very far, like 1 or 2 points. Okay, let's move on. Let's look at oil. What did oil do, huh? Oh, I see the setup. I see. I see it, man. Very choppy in the UK session. Okay. We got one trade here. Well, actually, we got two. But here's the first one, right from here to here. From here to there. We got short in there. Boom. We got short somewhere right there. Stop would have been right at above $72 a barrel. 34 ticks higher. Came down. 23 ticks. Went back up to break even. Went down 75 ticks. Went down 90 ticks to the bottom. And there was little scalp trades in here. Boom. Sell it on the opening of this candle, down it goes. Boom. Sell it right here, boom, down it goes. Sell it here, down it goes. Sell it up here, boom, down it goes. You like those trades? I sure do. I tell ya, scalp trades are fun. Especially when you have next to nothing for drawdown. If you follow what I've been showing you for weeks, how to do the scalps with price and no indicators. Well, I use the indicators too. When the 5's below the 7, I only look for sell trades. When the 5 is above the 7, I only look for buy trades if I'm scalping. Okay, so if you would have got in right here, your stop would have been 22 points and it went up 28. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Let's look at the pound yen. What did it do? Oh, it's chopping big time right now at the open. Oh, look at the big spread. 13 pip spread. Yeah, they like to screw people on the swap rollover. They love to screw people. All these brokers. Oh, look at this. Okay, let me just take that off. Okay. I thought maybe we had hard to see divergence right here, but we don't. And I'm not even going to bother showing the buy here either. But if you're diehard sticking with it, here's an upside down teacup right here. Your cup that you would pour your tea in. Right here. High and higher high. See that? Boom, shagalaka. Like that. And you would have got shorts somewhere in here. And I quickly went down like 20 points in about 5 minutes. That's a pound yen. If you did a trade over here, see there was divergence over here. Here, let me show you. It's from here to here. And the entry was right here on the opening of the US session. So there was a trade there after all, right there. Get short right there. Went down 13 pips. This is the pound yen. Your stop would have been 17 pips. So if you were brave enough to hold it down into here, you definitely got some pips. Let's take a look at the EJ now, the euro yen. Let's see, what did it do? Yeah, I'd call this a double top right here. Zing. Right there like that. Double, triple top right here. Like that. And let's put on that arrow right there. You would have sold it. Boom, your stop would have been up here. 12 pips, a whole 12 pips. And it went down 27 pips. So you would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. So look at gold. What did gold do today? Oh, I see some divergence. I do, right over here. Here was divergence here, right here, low and lower lows, higher low on the indicator, buy it here, up it goes. Okay, let's look over here now. So then after it did a big dive, after its rally up and went lower than where the rally started, Okay, we got a low and a lower low and a lower low. And right here, boom, boom. We got long in here. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is not hindsight, even though you may think it is. Trust me, I can see all these trades in advance. I knew way over here, that I was looking for divergence to set up, and it took all this time, hours and hours. I knew it was setting up. When it came down here and put in this low and a retracement, oh, I knew it was very close. And I can teach you the same thing in my course. It's in the messaging below the video if you are interested. If you're not interested, well, you can just keep coming back tomorrow and watch my watch my setups, because these are real genuine setups that anybody could trade in real time when it happens. Yes, when it happens. Okay, would have got long there. Stop would have been 13 points. Oh, this is gold. Yeah, went up 30, 40. Look at this. Here's another trade. Look at this. High, and triple higher highs. And here's this going down. So if you would have got short there, it only went down 11 points. See? This was the good trade of the day right here. This was a shitty one. But it's divergent again up here, let me tell you. From here, yeah, to there. See with this one. Just skip it along to the next one. Okay. It was divergent, so after they smacked it down, closed lower, cross, we had a cross down, which closed lower. With the 5 crossing down below the 7. So you would have got short right in there on the opening right there. Stop would have been 13 ticks on gold. Went down 20 ticks. You would have got your 1-to-1. And the last one is the pound dollar. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. It's doing the same thing on the pound yen, right? Yeah, same shit. Same shit, different day. Okay, the 5-minute now we're looking at. Let's take the auto scroll off. And what do we have here? Nothing. We got a lot of sideways chop. That's what we got. And then it broke down and went a little lower. But I do not see any divergence here. There's no divergence to sell. There was no sell trade here or here. Here's the trade right here. And when this set up to get in, when you got in right here, everything looked fine that it was going to go down. But look what it did. It chopped around first. Then she dropped like a rock and went down. So if you got into this trade right there, okay, your stop would have been right at the swing high. 8 pips on the pound, and it went down 26 pips almost. You would have got your 1-to-1, 2-to-1, almost even 3-to-1. That was the last trade of today. Anyway, once again, this is Jason Sweezy. I trade divergence. I love divergence. I think it's the best strategy in the world, but I could be wrong. Maybe the fair value gap or the VWAP is better for some. But for me, it's divergence. So there you have it. Okay. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Good luck and good trading.